has happened in January, February 2023. Some restaurants have opened, have closed, there's new merchandise. Disney 100 Years of Wonder is finally showing up in the parks, and there's so much more. Stay tuned! My name is Marieke and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide. Here at Magical Vacation Guide we help you to best prepare your Disneyland Paris vacation so you get the most out of it. In this video we're going to talk about the news of January, February 2023. So a lot has happened. We're going to talk about the Flight Force Avengers show in Walt Disney Studios. Disney's 100 Years of Wonder has finally come to the parks, and there's so much more to prepare you for your next stay. The 100 Years of Disney is finally showing here in Disneyland Paris, and the first thing is that we have seen some merchandise here at Flores at Main Street, USA. So come on, let's have a look. Disneyland Paris has also announced that you can get an unisex Dream and Shine Brighter t-shirts, which is so cool. You cannot get them now. They will be on for sale halfway through April. That is what has been estimated, probably maybe around the 31st birthday of Disneyland Paris, but I'm really glad and excited to see what they look like. If you're coming to Disneyland Paris soon, I'm going to talk to you about the refurbishments. So Waltz has opened up again. So if you're looking forward to a dinner at Waltz, go ahead, you can do that from now on. Market House Deli and the Gibson Girl behind me are closed for renovation, unfortunately. Let's hope the Gibson Girl is open back up in the summer. In a new way to motivate sustainability and environment, you can now save 20 cents on a hot drink if you bring your own reusable mug. That reusable mug must be content to a couple of conditions. The first being that the cup is not damaged and you have a closable lid. So now you can go get your hot drink and get a 20-cent discount. To meet sustainable quotas for the environment, Disneyland Paris is rolling out sustainable and reusable utilities like plates and knives and cups. You can already see that in Stark Factory in Walt Disney Studios in Avengers Campus. They already have like these reusable cups, but these are with the print of Disneyland Paris. They're not for taking home, they are for you can use them, they can put them in the dishwasher, and another guest can use them, so don't steal them. I bet they're pretty expensive to replace all the time if you take them home as a souvenir. If you are staying in Campanile sometime in the future, consider yourself lucky. Because Starbucks is extending to Campanile near Disneyland Paris. Campanile is a partner hotel which offers free shuttle buses. Do you want to know more about Campanile Hotel? We have made a video on that, so go check that out. Since January 26th, I believe, a new show has come. In the last news video, we have talked a little bit about it. The new Avengers show, Power the Night. This show is amazing. We have seen it for the first time last night and it is really cool. They use 500 drones, there's fireworks or projections on the Hollywood Tower of Terror. It's definitely a must see. So the show is about, we go through all the superheroes and they get the moment to shine with their drones and with the fireworks. And what I thought was the most cool was that they use the drones and the firework as an extension of the projection. It is so cool. If you are here in Disneyland Paris, you should definitely see that. The only thing is, Power the Night is only limited available. It only goes until I think the beginning of March. So until the beginning of May this year. So it only runs 3 to 4 months. So if you want to see it, you have to book your Disneyland Paris vacation now. Otherwise, you'll pay a lot of money to see it last time. If you are a true Avengers fan, you should definitely see that. Do you want to get a good deal on your Disneyland Paris vacation? Make sure to check the links down below in our video. Those are links Disneyland Paris provided us to give you the best discount and the best deal for your Disney Paris vacation. In Avengers Campus, you have 2 attractions, Spider-Man Web Slingers, of course, and Flight Force. Flight Force is getting, well, a small renewal. It's not a complete refurbishment, but they're gonna add some effects into the attraction. It is mostly effects in the attraction and you won't have any disturbance while you're visiting Disneyland Paris. The attraction continues to stay open. So will they probably do it at night after the park closes, but you will see some new effects very soon at Flight Force. Good news! Mickey and Magician show returns in Walt Disney Studios. After a short winter break, they have come back, but not with 4 shows, but 5 shows per day. The first show will be shown at February 25, so that will be very, very soon. I can't wait to see that show again. It's one of the best shows in Disneyland Paris. So here you have it. This is the news of February 2023. So what do you think of this video? Did we miss something? Did you want to see more? Well, let us know down in the comments if you liked something or you were completely surprised. Also let us know. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Honestly, you will make our day. Do you want to get a good deal on staying to your Disneyland Paris vacation? Check out the links below. Maybe we can get you some discounts. You book through Disneyland Paris, but you will get a discount, especially if you have like the super early booking. Thank you so much for watching and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!